Hi, this is Tommy Hall with MathNook.com, and I'm here to go over the rounding version of our Christmas number crunch game. We also have an addition version up on the site in our Christmas games, but this is the rounding version, and in the future I'm going to have some regular non-Christmas games that will be cover different skills like subtraction, multiplication, division, and maybe integers, positive and negative numbers, stuff like that. And as usual, for all the games on our site, they're free to play. There's no membership or sign up required. And this particular game plays well on PCs, tablets, and phones. Now when you first start the game, you'll have the option of rounding to tens, hundreds, thousands, and you just click the buttons here. If you click this play video button, it'll take you to the page on our website that has this particular video in case you want to watch it again. The instructions will take you to our instructions page, and I'm not going to go over that because you'll see how to play if you watch the rest of this video. More games will take you to our sister site that has all the games there play well on PCs, mobile devices, and tablets. Okay, let's take a look at the game, and this is basically a match 3 game with mathematical twist, and the mathematical twist is rounding. Practice rounding. We'll go ahead and click the 10 button. Now the object of the game is to complete each level, and you do that by removing all the gray boxes. You can see the gray boxes surround each ornament, and the way you do that is by making matches over the gray areas. So a match is made by having 3 or more of the same type and color of ornament, either horizontally or vertically. And once you do that, the ornaments will crunch down and it'll remove the background, and then they'll be filled in from the top by random ornaments. And you start out with 5 lives, and the first level has 10 minutes, and each level, as you complete levels, there's 5 levels, and you have less time on each level that follows, and I think the last level has about 5 minutes, which is doable. It's not really that hard, especially if you get a few chain reactions, but it's a little bit harder than what you have in this game, which is like right at 10 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and I'll show you how to play. Now, each of these boxes has a rounding statement in it, and you need to determine if it's true or false, and if it's false, you'll choose false, be sure it's highlighted, and then click on it. If it's true, you highlight true and click on it. Now during testing, and you may even see me do it in this video, a lot of times I would forget what button was highlighted, so you got to really pay attention to that, because you'll be rocking along getting these guys and then you'll forget which button, or you'll think the other one. So I'll try to check it in this game to be sure I don't mess up too bad. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and play this a little bit. And as in any match 3 game, it's always good to make the matches at the bottom, because what happens is you have it as the random ornaments drop in from the top, you have a chance of setting off a chain reaction, and that'll probably happen one time or other when I'm playing here, and I'll call it out so you can see what that looks like. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this red ornament down here and this one down here by crunching these 2, and then we'll have 3 red ones in a row, and then they'll crunch, and then this background will be gone, and you'll see that. Okay, so 86 rounds to 80. Now that is not true, because 86 rounds to 90. So I'm going to click false here. Click it, and you saw this one I destroyed or crunched the ornament, so to speak, and the ornament that went down here. And I'm going to do the same one with this. It's a 76 rounds to 70. That's also false. Now that one went away, and there goes some chain reactions, and I did pretty good. So that really helps a lot. Now I can actually just get rid of this one. I'm going to try to, again, working from the bottom, and you don't have to do that, but you have a better chance of getting a chain reaction like you just saw. So if I get rid of this one will fall down. I have 3 stockings in a row. 35 rounds to 40. That is true. I have false highlighted, so I need to be sure and click true. And there we go. Got rid of some more. Now I want to show you one other thing is for example, I can get rid of this one. I see these two stockings come down. If I get rid of these two right here, this one will drop here, this one will drop here. I have 3 in a row and we'll get rid of that one. So 47 rounds to 50, that's true. I have true highlighted, so let me go ahead and click on that. 41 rounds to 50, that is false. Get rid of that one. And there you go. So that's how you play, and you see I've got almost half the board, and I've got plenty of time, and I've not really been focusing on speed or anything like that. So you will, on the first few levels, you'll have plenty of time. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to the main menu here. This is kind of hard to read at this size. On the website, we have a full screen button underneath the game, and you can click on that. It'll make it full screen. A lot easier to read, a lot easier to see and play. So I'm going to go ahead and actually it looks better because it's pretty tough looking. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click at this size, I should say. Go ahead and click main menu. We go back here, we can look at the hundreds, and it plays the same. Problems are a little bit, the numbers are larger. That's about it. You're rounding the hundreds now. And so this one here says 844 rounds to 900. That is false because 844 rounds to 800 when you're rounding the hundreds place. And made a match, got a chain reaction up there. Let's go ahead and main menu. And the thousands, same way. A little bit harder to read at this small when the screen game board's this size, but you can still do it, and you go full screen if you have to. Now let's see, I could go rounding the thousand place, 7,283 rounds to 8,000. That is not correct. That's false. 9,858 rounds to 9,000. That is also false, and it's highlighted. And we got one chain reaction kind of up there. So that's how you play the game, and this is a game that I really enjoyed playing. Even for a math game, it's great play. It's a lot of fun, so I hope you like playing it. I hope this video's helped some, and thanks for watching.